we hope you guys got a chance to go through our day-by-day analysis of WTC final. So first of all, congratulations to New Zealand. They have been absolutely amazing throughout their WTC journey, and they beat India fair and square, just as I had predicted in the preview. And yeah, so today we are planning to recap the WTC, the first World Test Championship, and end things from here and move on to other things like IPL, World Cup, and England series. So yeah, Shikhar, how would you like to start?
Yeah, thanks, Kunal. And I hope all of you guys have seen our rant, the mega rant, where we have pointed out all the things that have gone wrong. I mean, so many things that could have gone right for us, but did not go well. Yeah, it's a big loss. Like, I still have a hangover. I'm still not over it. But I guess, we have to live another day. And what to do, I guess. It's very depressing, actually. It's very depressing because this is a tournament that has taken 2 years. Like, see, this is not a normal tournament. जैसे अगर वर्ल्ड कप होता है तो हम लोग एक महीना का वर्ल्ड कप होता है तो सारे इमोशन, सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स वो एक महीने में ही हो जाता है. बट ये टूर्नामेंट ऐसा था जो कि हम 2 साल से एंटिसिपेट कर रहे थे. मतलब शायद ही ऐसा कोई टूर्नामेंट होगा जिसका बिल्डअप इतना ज्यादा रहा होगा. लाइक 2 साल का बिल्डअप जो था वो एक दिन में, लाइक वी लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग इन 1 day. Like, this was so devastating.
Yeah, because we were in the game till day 5. Yeah, we were in the game till day 5. We actually lost everything.
And I don't want to again go back to day 5, day 6, but WTC का ऐसा ही effect रहने वाला है. So any team that goes to finals and lose, it's going to be heartbreaking for that nation.
In the future, future edition maybe. True.
Yeah, even Australia will be so heartbroken. If you see, New Zealand are so lucky. Like WTC, we'll be talking about WTC now. So first thing was WTC was started in 2019 and पहला series था Ashes का जो series था. In that we have seen some brilliant knocks, some brilliant displays of batting, bowling, fielding. Like Marnus, saw the rise of Marnus, Labuschagne, Steve Smith getting hit on the head, coming back, and Australia leveling the series in spite of Ben Stokes ka resistance. And if you remember that turning point, like Ben Stokes ka wo century jiske wajah se New Zealand are still, in the New Zealand actually should go and thank Ben Stokes, the man who lost them the 2019 World Cup. Ironically, is the guy who has enabled them.
Put them in the finals.
Put them into the finals and won them the WTC. Like, अब तो वो लोग जीत गए WTC. तो Ben Stokes को वो लोग को thanks बोलना चाहिए and Tim Paine को thanks बोलना चाहिए क्योंकि उसने review based कर दिया. ठीक है, और Tim Paine ने वो overrate के वजह से भी points अपना.
So thinking about this, there were like 3 reasons that New Zealand qualified. एक तो वो MCG में overrate के वजह से Australia got some points deducted. The Ben Stokes special innings, and then one more thing, which was that Australia South Africa tour got cancelled. I mean,
and New Zealand Bangladesh tour got cancelled. New Zealand Bangladesh tour, which I'm sure New Zealand would have struggled in Bangladesh.
Yeah, big time.
I'm sure they would have struggled in Bangladesh.
Yeah, so, I'm sure New Zealand has dark clouds in the second cycle. They have to tour India and Pakistan like away tours. That will be very tough for New Zealand.
But they won't care because now they have won they are the champions of the first edition. Yeah, they are the first champions and they have written their names in glittering letters. So
yeah, I'm thinking about it. Like, I remember India was also pretty pathetic in the follow-up T20 World Cups after winning the first one.
Like अभी मतलब 2019 का जो we never imagined, to be honest, we never imagined that New Zealand will win this WTC. So it has been an exciting ride. Like अगर कोई पहले 2019 में अगर कोई बोला होता कि New Zealand will win the WTC तो हम लोग उसके ऊपर हंस देते. But India, Australia, England, these were the favorites that time. We thought it will be one of these 3, but now the 4th team, New Zealand, has won.
These guys are favorites for almost all tournaments. Like New Zealand, nobody puts in New Zealand in contention, whether it's ODI World Cup or T20 World Cup, but they do play well.
Yeah, actually, if you look back after like last 2-3 years when South African team started declining, we used to only talk about big 3. Like these 3 are the only teams which play good Test cricket. Then suddenly New Zealand started coming up the ranks, and I'm glad now we have good teams, and even Pakistan team is building up well.
Pakistan, Pakistan se kuch nahi hona.
No, especially if you have looked into their schedule for the second cycle, I think they have a really good chance.
It will be interesting to see. Like Pakistan, home mein they play well. They need to improve their away performances. We saw in Australia they totally got washed out. Like they got blown away by David Warner and Marnus Labuschagne. Like they were just never getting out. Marnus Labuschagne and New Zealand also got washed out in Australia, like totally.
Yeah, but so, second cycle mein Pakistan away series are like Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. So, Pakistan has very good chances.
Yeah. Pakistan has a good chance, and it will be good to see India-Pakistan final if it happens. I hope
that would be a
yeah.
We only
and
see
I hope India will be the host.
There is no way we can see a test match between the two sides. So if that happens, I'll be very happy.
और वो भी अगर इंग्लैंड में रख देंगे तो इंडिया हार सकते हैं एक्चुअली.
इंग्लैंड में तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रखना चाहिए. वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रखना चाहिए एमसीजी में.
So guys, what are some other memorable moments for you in WTC? Like something you will remember?
For me, I think the Ashes, because the first test, there was, I think, Steve Smith's first test after the ban, so he was getting booed and stuff. And then Australia found themselves 120 for 8, and Steve Smith was battling there at 40 not out. And I just can't believe he took the team to like 280. He made a big 100, daddy 100. And I remember like there was this, England. In England, they made an announcement on the train, the platform near to the ground
and metro station. Yeah,
anyone knows how to get Steve Smith out, please let us know. That unbelievable series he was having. That was the first time in 2019 I admitted that he's better than Virat Kohli. He's the best Test batsman. Until then, I still had my doubts, but it was a superb series.
Guys, do you agree that WTC is a very good thing for our cricket? Like,
we have loads of context now. We have context to almost.
We were having too many bilateral. We were having too many bilateral series. Now we have something to look forward to. Just not the single series. Like we know that there is a context. There is a final which we'll have after 2 years. So that is a good thing. And
easy to point out mistakes in the whole concept, but the concept itself is so great.
Yeah, there are a lot of mistakes. There are a lot of mistakes.
It will get improved with time. Yeah.
And do you think like Virat Kohli actually suggested कि 4 साल का cycle? No, someone suggested to Virat Kohli that 4 years का cycle होना चाहिए, so that all teams can play all teams. Do you think that will be a good thing? Like 4 years का cycle अगर होगा तो?
No, I don't agree. That 4 years will be too big. Like because we want to see finals frequently. We don't want to wait 4 years for finals.
Yeah, 4 years is really long. Yeah. Really long,
and
too much.
वो disappointment कुछ ज्यादा ही हो जाएगा. मतलब 4 साल मेहनत करके आप फाइनल में पहुंचे और हार गए. अभी 2 साल में ही इतना फ्रस्ट्रेशन लग रहा है. So
now Virat Kohli at least have chance to play another 2 World Test Championship finals. अगर 4 years होगा तो he'll just play 1. So
yeah, but guys, I think this was a great concept. My memories from this World Test Championship is the Ben Stokes ka epic knock, and Australia retaining the Ashes, then India dominating South Africa and Bangladesh at home with Mayank Agarwal, and the emergence of Rohit Sharma, Marnus Labuschagne, and Ajinkya Rahane coming out as a overseas specialist again in this cycle of WTC. He has good overseas record. India's win in Australia is a definite memorable. Also, India's loss to New Zealand. That loss to New Zealand was shocking. Like how India lost to New Zealand. I think that had a mental, edge. New Zealand that gave a mental edge to New Zealand.
It's actually the 2003 World Cup where India only lost to Australia twice, the league match and the final. That actually just happened this time again.
Yeah. So that loss to New Zealand, and New Zealand would have losing so badly to Australia in Australia. So I think it's all about the conditions. Similar India. If you see, India and Australia are similar conditions, and England and New Zealand are similar conditions. So it's all about those conditions. But great.
Kyle Mayer's innings in Bangladesh, that was amazing.
Yeah.
Kyle Mayer's out of the blue, completely out of the blue. For me, for me, the standout was India's win at the Kabba. India winning that series absolutely. I did not have any hopes at all. With probably a second 11 playing, that was a very emotional moment for every Indian fan.
Also,
for every Indian fan.
We know South Africa, and we know South Africa batting has completely declined, but I still think that England did really well winning a series in South Africa. Like they were 1-0 down and they ended up winning 3-1. So actually that was another good series.
Probably Joey Root's biggest achievement as well.
South Africa is in rebuilding phase. So is Pakistan. Like if you see, Pakistan found a very good batsman of Fawad Alam in this cycle of WTC. So definitely, if I make a
Rizwan and that all-rounder forgot Fahim Ashraf. Yeah, some good players, really good players.
if we talk about WTC 11, Fawad Alam will definitely make my WTC 11 because he has been better than Babar Azam. In fact, Fawad Alam in test matches.
Yeah, Babar Azam's form has been on the lower side recently.
No, Babar Azam has been good in limited overs, but not in tests.
Babar Azam still averaged 67 in the World Test Championship. He only played 10 test matches, but his average was 67. So.
But in the critical matches, Fawad Alam played much better than
him. Fawad Alam, scored hundreds when team were like 80 for 4. So he did an excellent.
Kane Williamson's performance against Pakistan and West Indies in those, the emergence of Henry Nicholls as a stable middle order
strong middle order player.
Yeah. And Jamieson played 11 wickets in that match against Pakistan, I remember.
Yeah, Kyle Jamieson
won a test match in England. That's big for West Indies. But they did not perform well in other parts of the series. But yeah, they did one test match.
Yeah. Jermaine Blackwood and Shannon Gabriel with important contributions there. So and even Zach Crawley's 267 not out. That was amazing and knock.
Big innings.
So we had a good overall we got a good picture of the WTC. So guys, now coming to India's performance in WTC, like how do you think we won a series in West Indies 2-0 with the help of Bumrah, Ajinkya Rahane, Hanuma Vihari. And you won't believe one thing, that actually KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal were the openers in that series.
Oh wow!
And now we are having Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill. So, but India's journey has been. It started like we were winning everything. Like we started with winning every test match. West Indies, then came South Africa, then came Bangladesh, and then
South Africa and Bangladesh, they were defeated within 3 days, like all 4 test matches. Like
yeah, but they were weak teams, right? And the win was expected more or less.
And Ravichandran Ashwin ending up as the highest, wicket taker in the WTC with 71 wickets. It's a big tally of wickets he got.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
But India dominated everything, and they went crashing down in New Zealand. And again they re-emerged in Australia and against England in home. So it was a good journey overall. We had one blip, that is New Zealand. That is the only 3 test matches. Only 4 test matches that we lost, and 3 of them to New Zealand, and 1 of them to Australia, and 1 of them to England. 5 test matches we lost in this.
But we won the other series. So basically, we only lost to New Zealand because we still won that series against Australia.
On the other series, yeah. So 3 test losses to New Zealand, and New Zealand, obviously, like we discussed, they got lucky. They deserve to thank the stars. They deserve to thank Tim Paine and Ben Stokes, who they must be cursing after losing to 2019 World Cup. But it was a good tournament. Yeah, and
they're going to get dust bowls in November when they tour us. I'm sure India will win 2-0.
Yeah, that's expected for all teams now.